Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about example of marginal density functions. The example is, let capital X and capital Y be continuous random variables with the joint density function is f of x comma y is equal to e power minus y for 0 less than x less than y and f of x comma y is 0 elsewhere. Find the marginal density functions f of x and f of y. Coming to the solution, given that the joint probability density function is e power minus y for x is equal to 0 to y and 0 elsewhere. So we know that the marginal density function of the random variable x is fx of x is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity fxy of x comma y dy. So this is the expression of the marginal density function of the random variable x. Now here given that joint density function is there, applying the given joint density function to this equation, f of x comma y is equal to e power minus y and y range is y less than x, y greater than x. So 0 less than x less than y means y greater than x. The range of the y is y greater than x. So y greater than x means the range of the y is x to infinity. So therefore fx of x is equal integral x to infinity f of x comma y is e power minus dy dy. Integral e power minus y dy is e power minus y by minus 1 over x to infinity. Now substitute upper value of y and lower value of y. We get fx of x is equal to minus of e power minus infinity minus e power minus x. E power minus infinity value is 0. Multiplying minus within the bracket term, the marginal density function of the random variable x is e power minus x for x greater than 0. Next, find out the marginal density function of random variable y. So we know that the expression of the marginal density function of the random variable y is fy of y is equal integral minus infinity to infinity f of x comma y dx. So given that the joint density function is e power minus y for x is equal to 0 to y, applying the given data into here, fy of y is equal to integral 0 to y e power minus y dx. When we substitute given density function, the range of the x is 0 to y. X is equal to 0 to y. Integral e power minus y dx. Now we are integrating with respect to x. E power minus y is the constant that is written before integration. E power minus y into integral 0 to y 1 into dx. Integral 1 dx is x over 0 to y. Now substitute upper value of x and lower value of x. We get fy of y is equal to e power minus y into y minus 0. So that is equal y into e power minus y for y greater than 0. So this is the example of the marginal density function of random variable x and marginal density function of the random variable y.